Row number 23, very easy, just be attentive. One raising loop and 3 pieces into the middle one loop, 2 pieces into the first and 1 piece into the second, 1 loop, and into the middle one we do 3 pieces of front post double crochet, 1 loop, again the mirror, 1 piece into the first and 2 pieces into the second, 1 loop, and here we go with only front post double crochet into the middle one. We don't do any loops here, we just continue with the rhomb around and we make 1 cluster, 1 simple double crochet, and again 1 simple double crochet, and again 1 simple double crochet. So this way around you will have clusters. This way we form another rhomb. Let me show you how to do it. I actually wanted to go with the slip stitch into the middle one here. It's easier. 1 raising loop and 3 pieces as usually into the middle, around the middle one. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. 1 loop here, and around the next one we make 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. Around the next one just 1 double crochet, 1 loop. Into around the middle one we have to make 3 pieces, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet, 1 loop. Again the mirror, we make 1 here, 1 double crochet, and 2 pieces around the second one, 1 and 2. I'm going around to make it more symmetrical. Let's see how it's gonna work. 1 loop, and in here into the middle one 3 pieces, 1, 2, and 3. Oops. If I'm too fast, just tell me. 1 loop, and we skip the rhomb, we go into the first and second double crochet with the cluster, which means 1 top, and 1 piece of double crochet around the next one, another 1 piece double crochet around the top of the puff stitch, and 1 more double crochet around the next one. Here we make the cluster, 1 and 2, like that. Let's see, here we make 1 loop only and we continue the same, absolutely same pattern. Let me show you a little bit again, and probably then you can continue by the chart, according to the chart by yourself. This is how the pattern will look like. In the end, just a slip stitch. I'm not gonna put it here.